It's made a tremendous difference. I knew, obviously, when we bought it, that it was going to help, but I had no idea that it would make such a big difference to me and to my husband. Oh, I don't know where to start because there are so many. Well, the main one is ease of access for getting into bed and out of bed. That's the major one, because I just couldn't get out of my other bed, and I was really hurting myself doing so, and Mike had to haul me out of bed, which wasn't doing him any good, and we couldn't have managed much longer under those circumstances. Marvellous, because it's made partly because it's made such a big difference to my health in many ways. Therefore it's eased the burden on him and it's stopped him worrying about me so much. The massive benefit is that it is so comfortable. I'm sleeping better and I'm not in pain from getting into bed, which I was. We sleep through the night. I get up and need the toilet in the middle of the night, and he can help me getting out of bed by just really supervising, and then just sit on the chair and wait for me to get back. So it's not wearing him out. And then the morning routine is so different. They are absolutely excellent. This is one of the main things that I've been impressed with. From my daughter did the organising of finding a suitable bed and dealt with many companies, all of whom were fine, but the difference with Theraposture, she found that the customer care she was getting was very thorough and helpful. And certainly I found then when they came over to me and Mike that they were very professional, extremely helpful, and I think what is most important from somebody who's elderly and not, a bit doddery, is that they were very, very respectful and kind and made me feel very much at ease.